Hey guys, in today's video we'll be trying Houston's hot chicken. So, Mom, could you record me? Okay. Alright, so
Hold on. Did you start it?
Yeah. So, we're gonna try, let's try the food first. So, I don't know what's in what box. So, this looks like
Soup?
and there's something in that bag. But this looks like, the spicy chicken sandwich. Okay, these look really good. So, I think I'm gonna start off with the fries. Here they are. That's really good. Fries. Mom's gonna try them.
Really good.
Alright. Next up, I'll try the chicken. Here it is.
That's the buffalo.
Oh.
Oh no, don't let that fall.
I rate that like 6 out of 10. Not my favorite.
Here.
Alright. Next up, I really am looking forward to this one. I was craving this. Put that there for now. The spicy chicken sandwich. Here I go. 3, 2, 1. The sauce in that adds so much flavor.
It's too bite worthy.
It's really good.
You don't have to try the soup if you don't want to.
I don't really want to. Next we have blueberry lavender lemonade. Oh. We weren't kidding about these straws being bendy.
I know.
That's so good. 10 out of 10, easily. Chicken sandwich, so good. Don't know what these are, but yeah.